this is Mrs. Head. I wanted to show you guys the bathroom tile after 2 months of use. So it looks great. 2 dogs, husband, wifey, sometimes toddler, guests, cleaning, showering, everything still looks fine. And fabulous, actually. Another quick bathroom tip is to hang your shower curtain higher than you normally would. This is about 1 inch from the ceiling. This draws the eye up, creating the ceiling height to visually look a lot higher than it is. And therefore, the shower curtain then hangs right at the tub baseline and gives you a whole inch of space that would normally be from hanging shower curtain. It's also much cleaner, doesn't drag along the floor collecting dust. And then the inside liner is actually longer and hangs all the way down. So you never get any spillage or anything. And I love our little bathroom. It looks really high end, and the whole makeover was about 25 bucks. So that's a bathroom tip.